Okay, it's after 7 o'clock, Saturday, August 18th. We come out here to see the deer feeder go off at 7:30. Hello, Mom.
Hi.
And I'm putting up a camera so we can catch some pictures of what might be coming out. I'm also have these bird seed discs. I'm gonna hang them. I'm gonna hang one up out here for the birds, and then I'm gonna hang another one up front so that they can get it out here. It's a mixture of a bunch of different seeds. And anyways, we're trying to help the wildlife out here with some food. Gotta go. Bye.